Yes, we are watching the weather over in the WA, in particular that cyclone that's bearing down on the WA coast. Let's bring Marina on that. Marina, what's the latest information that you've got?
Well, Pete, this is a very intense, severe storm. Right now, Category 5, and just look at some of these stats that we're seeing right now. 240 kilometer per hour max wind speed. That's sustained wind speed. It's a very slow moving storm, only moving 4 miles per hour, almost sitting stagnant right now, just 200 miles off the coast of Port Hedland. So we do have right now the areas in red under a tropical cyclone warning from Karratha just to the north of Port Hedland. The areas in yellow under a tropical cyclone watch. And we are expecting this system to make landfall Friday evening between 11 p.m. and about 1 a.m. That will be in Western Australia time. As that system does look to be very fast moving, it will continue to push past Neuman, moving south and weaken quickly. Should be moving offshore by Monday. Now, with the system, we are looking at the threat for heavy rainfall as well as flooding. And the models have tightened up as we head into the approach of this system. Right now, looking at about 300 millimeters of total rainfall expected over Port Hedland, where the system will make landfall. But other threats will include the threat of storm surge, meaning very high tides and flooding. We're also looking at the threat for, of course, those very damaging winds. Plus, looking at storms going to continue to move across Canberra, moving towards the coastline later this afternoon. Best chance for severe weather will begin by about 12 p.m., heading into your lunch hour, and then continue by the time you're heading home on your evening commute. So be prepared, a very long stretch that is going to be impacted by the threat for severe weather all the way throughout the interior of Queensland, down to the coast of Sydney, into the ACT, and then that very northeastern corridor of Victoria. Keep the umbrella on hand and use caution on the roadways.
Thank you, Marina.